Oh, you're missing some rocks.
Dude, I need to get the zoom lens. Got the zoom lens on. Behemoth of a lens.
Hopefully we can get some good pics. Check our Instagram at outofthisvan. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm already getting amped for this hike. Already getting amped.
The mountains are miniature in this.
I don't care. It looks cool. It looks like we're going to a cool place. Even though don't expect those snow-capped mountains on our hike.
Susie, what do you think you're doing, girl? Papa's getting you all amped up.
The vultures! They're coming for us! They're coming for us! The vultures are coming! Dude, get the zoom on! Come on! Hold on now, you have to wait for something. No, he's just showering, trust me. Oh. Alright, we're going on the
Yant Flats trail. Yant Flats. Yant.
Yant?
Y-A-N-T.
Yant? I don't know.
It's brighter out here than I...
We're somewhere in Utah. How many jackets did you bring on this sunset hike?
It is, I'd say, about 65 degrees right now, and I brought 1 puffy jacket and 2 long sleeve shirts.
Wow.
In addition to this shirt I am already wearing, and pants. Well, no, I didn't bring additional pants.
Not gonna lie, I'm kind of glad she brought 2 jackets. I didn't bring any, so if worst comes to worst, I'll stretch one out. Yant Flat trail, and of course it's another one of these crazy looking
places. It's called places. Remember those? I found this through an article online. They called it the Wave of Utah. If you guys are familiar with the Wave in Arizona, I guess it's technically in Arizona.
Yeah, it's right at the border. Yeah.
We've never been to the Wave, but we've always
to.
wanted to. And if this is just like it, then this is pretty epic.
Good show.
This rock here, trying to visualize what kind of pictures we want to take, which angles, all that. Where are we? Penelope, oh my lord. And then we decided, okay, let's venture off a little bit more. I'm freaking out. And then Ellie, come here.
No, and then we come here, and what do we see? This drop off.
With Penelope standing on the edge, and way more to be done. Wait, I hadn't gotten close enough. We can't even cross through here. We'd have to go back up.
That's correct.
Episode 746. Melanie getting down stuff.
You're almost there.
Today, I'm a rock climber that goes down backwards. This entire video, along with every other one we've ever done, is just footage of me scooting down stuff.
It gives me enough time to get out the GoPro.
I really wish we could show you guys how steep some of this stuff is that we try and traverse.
It's not that bad.
That one wasn't that bad. That we're gonna have to come back here tomorrow again because everywhere we turn it just keeps growing more and more and more. And the benefit of this place is that it's this like what's it called? No, what do you call it when you on
rock?
No, the places that we've mountain biked that have this
Slick rock.
Slick rock. It's like this slick rock where yes, it's incredibly steep, but it's got traction. So this really steep stuff, like down there, we can get down technically.
Maybe. Did you point out where we came from?
It doesn't look. We came from right there.
Where? No, we came from the top one.
Oh, we came from. Well, it looks like the same place right there. And yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot to be explored, guys.
So we're out here trying to find the best route down. And we look down and we see our dog is already down there.
Tell us which way you went.
I think she just sent it.
The gremlins are requesting some water, and I turned on the GoPro to tell you. One thing that we've been coming across a lot lately on these trails out here in Utah, and maybe it's because there's no soil to hide it, is poop. And unfortunately, our creature here, the spotted one, thoroughly enjoys a nice snack along the trail.
Most of the time. I don't know, sometimes there's some poop she doesn't go after, but the one she does, it's pretty, the sun is very bright.
Anyway, she just had a nice delicacy a few moments ago and now she has poop breath, so she's requesting some water. Whoa, look at how big my shadow is. I'm finally tall.
Wow, Melanie.
But my arm is tight. My arm's tiny.
Very tall, Melanie. Very tall.
Felt like an avatar. Tell me, are you feeling the burn yet?
Yeah, it's all. It was a good workout.
All calves and glutes. Straight uphill here. As you guys should have expected by now, we got a little lost.
Ted. Just hit one rock.
Alright, we finished the Yant Flat trails hike, and we were gonna scope out a really awesome campsite along this mountain road, but it is dark, so
First one we got.
First one we found is the one we're calling home for the night. Now, time to go lay out some essential oil, peppermint. You know why? Mice.
So we were gonna do Yant Flat again, but it's Friday, and there were like 9 cars with a boatload of kids.
Like, yeah, all like teenage kids.
So we came to this rappelling thing. We aren't gonna rappel, but we have a mosquito, so hopefully we can.
Let's not call it mosquito. It's not stupid.
That was the first of our hopefully 4 mini hikes today.
4? Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're on this road, and they got a bunch of little hikes, so we're just gonna try to hit them all. We'll keep you along on the journey. And Melanie's over here about to orange up.
Dealing with our mess. We got all this toilet paper yesterday. And I told Evan we can't get this much. There's nowhere to put it. And guess what? There's nowhere to put it. Can you go find a place for this in the back?
Hike number 2 of the day. Just starts off going down a wash. Melanie's favorite.
We found the only patch of grass in Utah.
A little oasis here. Right at the bottom of a, I don't know, rock scramble.
Oh my God.
What's up? What did you find? Ellie, what'd you find? Okay, bye.
Sketchy Central. She's trying to go for the next one. She already did it once. Okay.
Just a little
Psycho dog.
little half pipe.
We see these trails sometimes. They're like, there's a lot of boulder hopping and stuff, so it's not really dog friendly. We don't recommend. You haven't met Penelope.
Still out here walking around this wash.
Cruising.
And Melanie informed me that she doesn't like when I call the drone a mosquito. So now we're gonna call it a banshee.
Mm-hmm.
So if you see a banshee in the sky, it's ours. Melanie, that is the remnants of a storm cruiser. Look at that shock. Shock still looks good.
It does. It's got all the bright color left. Snack break. Back at the moto site. I'm here to tell you. You guys remember that dog that had endless amounts of energy a few hours ago? Well, this is her now. And we're not done with the hike yet.
Now we have another one. She might not join us on that one.
And guys, she only does this when she is truly exhausted. Instead of pushing along to another hike, we decided to call it a day so Penelope could rest. That gave us time to find this incredible campsite, which we spent the next few days exploring. But more on that in next week's vlog. Stay tuned.